I am coming all the way from Norway. Just being in the space with other Black artists who are working with audiovisual productions, it's very, very rare. There really is not too much like this. The experience that I've had just 2 days in has been unbelievable. I feel like I've gotten like a whole university degree just in 2 days. So it's been so beautiful and touching.
I remind us that it's imperative to live out the principles of our work. Yes, movements need art. They need storytellers. They need bold stylistic innovations to remind us why we do what we do, to remind us not just what we fight against, but what we fight for. But with that comes the need to question on which stage we stand. Under whose microphone do we speak? What are the conditions under which the conversation you really want to have can occur? Who do you want to be in that room? Who is your work beholden to?
I reconnected with a friend and we hadn't seen each other in almost seven to 10 years. I'm not surprised that we found each other at Black Star. I felt like I connected with people here who I've known in some capacity online, whether through Instagram or I'm familiar with their work. I feel like this environment encouraged a deeper closeness. It brought me in close contact with filmmakers whose work I appreciate and venerate, like Xenia.
The thing that I really enjoy is the multi-generational nature of the seminar, and I think that mix is what really makes this gathering so special, because it's not just a one-way street. We're actually talking with each other and we're exchanging visions of things that we want to bring into the world, and I think that's really super important about this particular space.
I came to Black Star last year. I was like, wait, I should be teaching a class here. There was so much discourse and I just wanted to give what I had. But I'm bringing this class to people who already know who Frantz Fanon is, already know who Haile Gerima is. They already know who Edward Said is, and that was an important place. That was a place of expansion where also I get to learn and I get to expand the class even more after Black Star.
I'm so grateful that we had this time here, and I hope that you remember the joy and the rapture that you had from watching others' works or talking with each other about these works when the going is going to get rough, because we know it is going to get rough. But remember that we have each other, and that's what's going to hold us up. So thank you all.
Okay.
Yeah.